Meaning of diffuse.
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 Diffuse. The term diffuse refers to the act of spreading or scattering something out over a wide area. When something is diffuse, it lacks a clear, precise shape or boundary. Instead, it is spread out and dispersed in a way that is difficult to define or control. This can apply to a wide range of phenomena or substances, including light, sound, gases, liquids, and even ideas. In general, the result of diffusion is to make something less concentrated and more evenly distributed throughout its surroundings.